Hello everyone. I'm just going to go over a few quick features that we have on our test that we'll be taking next month. A lot of you already went over these last week, and some of you did not get a chance to go over them very thoroughly. So you can watch this video at your own leisure, but please pay attention. So down here, if you want to change the colors, you can change the colors. Anything you'd like there. You can use the line guide, which is one of my favorites. If you're reading a long paragraph, obviously this one here doesn't have a long paragraph, but it's just an example of how to use the line guide. The zoom feature, obviously it zooms in case there are any small words that you need to get a better look at. Let's see if I can figure out how to get over on the, there we go. And of course the highlighter. If you want to use the highlighter, you can use that. Those are the main features I wanted to show you guys. Just remember, with the writing portion of the test, if it tells you to write one sentence, you write one sentence. There will be one punctuation mark. If it tells you to write two sentences, there will be 2 punctuation marks. If it tells you to write 4 to 6 sentences, you have to write at least 4 sentences, but you don't need to write 10 sentences. Just write 4 to 6 sentences. For the speaking part, be sure your microphone works. If it's really close, it's going to sound bad, so make sure your microphone is far enough away from your mouth that it doesn't sound that way, but close enough that it does hear you. These microphones are very sensitive. Thank you so much for participating in this year's test training. Have a good day.